Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to fix message notification sound on iPhone. So let's begin. First of all, you have to make sure that your volume is high. Also make sure that your phone is not in the silent mode. Now the next step that you can follow is simply go to the settings and search for notifications section. Once you find the notification section, simply click on it and search for the messages section. Once you find the messages, click on it and make sure that you have toggled on the allow notifications button. Also check the sounds, and you can also set the sound if you are not being able to properly hear the previous sound. Now again, go back and click on sound and haptics. There click on the text tone, and there too you can change the sound. And once you have done that, simply go back to your home screen, scroll up your screen and check if your phone is in the do not disturb mode. If your phone is on do not disturb mode, simply turn it off. And that's it. After following all these steps, the last thing that you can do is simply restart your iPhone. And after all these steps, your problem will be solved. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one.